One of our frequently asked questions at Overton Industries is what makes our manufacturing business unique? It's really the fact that we started in tooling. It's a great base of knowledge for everything that we do. It was a lot of tool steel, a lot of carbide for decades before we even started building equipment. Once we did start building equipment, it was about taking what we knew and adding to it and creating a better solution for our customer. And then once we were good at building that equipment, it was adding small automation items. It's moving blocks in and out of a machine. It's using gantry systems to move parts from one part to the next. And really now, over the last decade, it's been full-blown automation and integration. It's vision systems, it's robotics, it's inspection systems that are integrated into a cell. And then, it's just a natural progression. So it's just like our customers. They started with one machine and now they've got 100, or they've got 1,000 parts a day and now they're 10,000 parts a day. We took all those steps and it created that base of knowledge, and we just added on to it, and it creates a much better solution for our customer.